chat masuze sinyamezele nansi i-request okay ndibonile bhuti chat masinyamezele nansi request this is King Aicko. He's also from he's from PE. Let's go.
I'm the type of really niggas I don't know. Shut your mouth to the volume low. Man, I got a feeling I'm a blow, yeah. I'm a blow, yeah. I'm the type of really niggas I don't know. Shut your mouth to the volume low. Man, I got a feeling I'm a blow, yeah. I'm a blow, yeah. Give me a chance and let me blow, man. The hate outside, they're not the border, man. Give me a chance and then I prove myself, and then I'm only nigga that do hustle. Man, I'm all about the baby chase. The hate inside, they're not the border, man. This is my time, man, I do what I do. And every time I with my niggas in your future, doing sign. I'm from the east to the east, smoking the black and the cheese. Praying the God I believe, focus too much on the east. My nigga blow all the beast, wait for the time I release. Cooking the hits and the beats, man, I'm the king in the game. Grab all my niggas attention, give them direction. We in the game and I'm hungry for fame. Telling everybody about my story. Showing niggas that we drinking coding. Speed on the time that I'm flexing. Giving them education. That's a really good question. I hustle hard, niggas time to action. Tiko bawungela manda Bobu bomi bulindela I'm shining brighter on my blessings, yeah. I pray to God I'm on my knees, never disappoint all my enemies. I'm the type of really niggas I don't know. Shut your mouth to the volume low. Man, I got a feeling I'm a blow, yeah. I'm a blow, yeah. I'm the type of really niggas I don't know. Shut your mouth to the volume low. Then I got a feeling I'm a blow, yeah. I'm a blow, yeah.
What do you think? What do you think, chat? Nondombi by Rapping T. Okay, I got you. What do you think, chat? What do you think about this one? This song for me, it sounds like the 2016-2017 era. It was really cool to rap like this, to make a song like this back then. 2015, 16, 17. Your Roll Up, the MT, there's a lot of songs that sounded like this. It was very cool. I'm not sure if there's a market for it now in this current hip hop. Otherwise, the Brule is really not bad. It's just for sure he's from the ground. Yeah, but his studio for sure is not as Koku standard. Better so Izuba clean. So we're not gonna talk about standards sound. Yeah, okay, we're not gonna judge based on that because Umjita says answer for sure. But as a rapper, he's good. As a person who is someone who can construct a song, he can do that. He can rap, and actually, I like the vocals as well. I like the beat. But for sure, and in the ignorant about okay, Umjita for sure, ebenze backroom go wabe okanye wherever. Yabo, anzo expect quality 100% like as Cat says Pumelele. He's really good, but this sound for me sounds like a 2017-16 era, yabo, which is I'm not sure it has a market right now, yabo. Otherwise, overall, shout out. I like the song, yabo. I like the song. Shout out to you, my dog. Shout out to you, Poison.